The Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 versus Kumho WinterCraft WP52 Plus is a clash between premium precision and smart value. The Michelin Pilot Alpin 5, a winter icon known for sharp control and grip, faces the Kumho WinterCraft WP52 Plus, the challenger promising strong all-round winter performance without the premium tech. Let's find out who truly mastered winter's toughest road. Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are shown in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from Autobuild's 2025 winter tire test. On wet braking, the Michelin stops 0.4 meters shorter, a 1% advantage. In wet handling, it laps 0.8 km per hour quicker, another 1% lead. However, in straight-line aquaplaning, the Kumho resists 0.8 km per hour longer before liftoff, giving it a 1% edge. Overall, Michelin leads in braking and precision, while Kumho shows slightly better water evacuation. On snow braking, Michelin stops 0.5 meters shorter, about 2% better. In traction, Michelin pulls with slightly more force, with both tie in overall acceleration feel. In snow handling, Michelin carries 0.2 km per hour higher average speed, maintaining better balance through corners. Overall, Michelin shows more grip and control, though margins are really small. Kumho stays close throughout. When it comes to mileage, Michelin lasts 2,650 km longer, a 6% advantage in wear life, showing stronger compound durability and tread retention. On dry braking, Michelin stops 1.9 meters shorter, a 4% lead. In dry handling, it corners 2.2 km per hour faster, roughly 2% better in agility. Overall, Michelin feels more responsive and composed under load. When it comes to noise, Michelin scores 0.6 points higher in comfort and runs 0.7 decibel quieter. It feels smoother and quieter, especially on coarse asphalt. Both recorded an identical rolling resistance value of 8.7, a draw in fuel efficiency and energy loss. When it comes to pricing, the Kumho WinterCraft WP52 Plus comes in around 58% more affordable than the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5. A remarkable saving given how closely it performs. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 still sets the benchmark, leading in braking, handling, comfort, and wear. On the other hand, the Kumho WinterCraft WP52 Plus impresses deeply for its cost. It trails by only fractions in real-world feel, yet costs nearly half the price.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.